HubKoin Exchange Tutorials, How to Set Up 2FA Verification. To begin, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. Go to hubcoin.io and click Sign In the top right-hand corner. You will be redirected to trade.hubcoin.io and you should see the login screen. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. In the top right-hand corner, select the little arrow beside your username or email address. A menu will pop up with two options, Settings and Sign Out. Select Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to the two-factor authentication section. Click the Off switch. It should change to On and a pop-up will appear. In order to use two-factor authentication, you will need another application, such as Google Authenticator. You will need to download this for yourself. For example, you can find the Google Authenticator app in the Play Store. These apps will create random codes for you every time you wish to enter your account. As an example in this process, we will use Google Authenticator. In the Google Authenticator app, you will see a plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. Tap the plus sign and select Scan QR Code. You will now need to use the camera on the device with Google Authenticator to scan the QR code HubKoin has provided. Once completed, your Google Authenticator app will be linked to your HubKoin account. Google Authenticator will now generate a code for you to enter into the pop-up. You will need to enter this number into the pop-up on your screen. Please remember that this code updates often, so you need to enter the most current code, and if it resets while you're typing it in, you will need to enter in the new code. Now your account should be set up with 2FA. Now when you log in, you will be prompted to enter your random code generated by Google Authenticator. From now on, when you log in, after entering your username or email and password, you will see this pop-up. You will need to access your Google Authenticator app and enter your code. Once the code is entered, your dashboard will load as usual. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in setting up your 2FA. Thank you for watching, and welcome to HubKoin 2.0.